Today is February 1st. It's first day of Black History Month, and I wake up to this fucking bullshit.
Come on. I'm not going nowhere. I'm on my dad. 247. We don't need you here. Hey! Get back in your house!
All right, so let me set this up. This is a 9-year-old girl. This was a family disturbance that the Rochester police were called on. This girl was 9 years old. She's, she's angry. She's upset. The family wanted some help, and now we are at this point.
You're not gonna run off.
I want my dad.
Stop.
A 9-year-old girl.
I'm not getting in no car. I want my dad. I want my dad. No.
So is this how they?
Stop! Oh my God.
Is this what they learned? Is this how you do things? This is how you handle a kid? I mean, do these people not have kids of their own?
Wait, my mom, she's pregnant though.
You done?
My mom pregnant. Oh yeah.
Stop.
They have her smashed to the ground.
247.
I want my dad.
Lost for SR. Mom's still trying
Wait,
to play.
please. Can you go help my
Keep
mom?
driving
She's
by.
pregnant. Can you go help my mom?
Daughter's in
She's
custody.
pregnant. Please.
Let's go.
Please,
Get up.
I want
They blurred out her face so that you can't see the girl. Here, I'll get rid of my picture here so you can see a little bit better.
my dad.
Get up.
I want my dad. I want my dad.
Car out here.
All right, is there a reason why they can't get her dad? I mean, the whole time I never see the dad.
I want my dad.
I got one car out here.
And now it goes dark for a while. I don't know what happens to the camera. You can hear the footage. I'm going to just kind of jump up a little bit farther.
Mom's. I'm ready to take mom to jail too.
Okay, but you need to get warm. Okay.
Okay. Now, can you hear this woman cop? She's like, oh, this lady's nice. She's like, hey, you need to get in here. You need to get warm. I'm like, oh, finally, it's a sane human on the scene.
Yeah.
Look at all these cops. For a 9-year-old girl.
No. Her. Hands are freezing.
Look at me. Look at me. Don't look anywhere else.
Get in the car. I'm done telling you. Get in the car.
Okay, so like this guy is thinking he's a fucking genius by yelling behind this lady.
Get in the car.
You gotta sit back.
Too hard.
Don't do it. It's sit back. Come on.
247.
What is this?
You got a
5,
rig
6,
stage.
7, 8 police cars for a 9-year-old girl. Look at this.
Yes, sir.
You tell me what. Did you see her? If you don't do this, pepper spray is going to go in your eyeballs. Now, I also want you to watch. Look how we're getting near the end of this footage, just conveniently.
All right, just keep him staged for a minute. Huh?
Fresh, are you good?
Yeah, I'm good.
How are you, Fred?
Just need a neighborhood check.
Yeah, I got
Mom's
you.
out here. I catch her. Mom's out here trying to fight people driving by.
House? I'll go right now.
129. She's the one that called originally.
Okay, what do you want, a depot or what?
The mom called originally for help. Now the girl's going to jail. The mom's going to jail. There's
I'm ready to take
countless
mom.
cop
I'll take
cars.
mom stress and I'll go arrest her.
All these white guys.
I will call him. Sit back.
And there's now the woman who was like, honey, you got to get warm. She's freaking. Okay, now they're losing their patience. It's like she's like, look, you better chill the fuck out. Otherwise, dad's going to get fucking pissed. And so they're all fucking going crazy. Now, it's so interesting that this actually is from the Rochester police, unlisted, okay? Unlisted. It was posted yesterday with 47,000 reviews, or views, and it's unlisted. They don't even list it, so you can't search for it, and they put this ridiculous title. So, they're not coming clean on anything, but the video ends, and then you're like, oh, wow, that's unfortunate. No, that's not what's unfortunate. This is what's unfortunate. Now we're getting another view from that woman cop.
Come on. I'm going to punish you and I don't want to. So sit back. Then sit back. Come on. This is your last chance. Otherwise, pepper spray's going in your eyeball.
That's where it left off. Did you hear her say it before? Otherwise, pepper spray's going in your eyeballs. Who says that? Otherwise, pepper spray's going in your eyeballs. This kid is handcuffed.
Then sit back. Come on. This is your last chance. Otherwise, pepper spray's going in your eyeballs. Come on, let's go. I'm gonna go get him.
Is this how she does her own kids at home? If you don't sit down at this table, pepper spray's going in your eyeballs.
Now sit back. Come on. I will fix it. I will fix it.
Dear, why you just stop for a second and take a deep breath.
And look at him. He's like, dear, I'm about to fuck you up right now, dear.
Please,
Just stop.
Please. I will get your dad.
No, you said that you were gonna pepper spray me. No, please.
Yeah, she's freaking out. She's like, you said you were going to pepper spray me. I'm fucking the freak out because I'm 9.
Sit back.
I got a bad
Just spray her.
No, I have
Just spray her at this point.
Just spray her at this point. I mean, I don't know what else to do. I can't handle 9-year-olds. I'm just a fucking cop. There they go. You see her? She just shook up her mace. Okay, she shook up her mace. And now he's shaking up his.
Dear.
Here they go. Dear.
I got her. I got her.
I got her. Yeah, I got her. I'm a fucking man. She's begging, wipe my eyes. And you know what he does? He fucking shuts the door. Unbelievable, he says. And that's the end. Unbelievable. Unfucking believable. February 1st, Black History Month. Now, this was on the 29th, so technically it was a couple days ago, but it comes out into the public. On February 1st, they are torturing 9-year-old black girls with an army of cops. You tell me that this isn't horrendously, fundamentally, innately wrong at the core, that this isn't racist. Show me a white girl surrounded by black cops that gets sprayed in the face with mace. Show it to me. Show it to me once in 400 years of America. Let me see that happen one time. One fucking time. And this is just Monday. It's just another Monday. Nothing changes. Joe Biden says, how dare you talk about defunding the police? That's bad politics, black people. Sit down, black people. Protest peacefully, black people. Be peaceful, black people, as we torture your kids in the back of police cruisers. This is abhorrent. Injustice, cruelty, unacceptable. Unacceptable. This must stop now.